Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to turn on captions or subtitles in your Prime Video. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. And let's just say I want to play this video. I'm gonna play this video right now. And as you can see, this right here is the video. And what we want to do is simply enable subtitles. On the top, right here next to Options, Options is a gear-like icon. You'll see this icon right here, that is subtitles and audio. Simply click on it, then something like this will open up. Right here, as you can see, there's subtitles and audio. Right now we're only focusing on how to enable captions, that is subtitles. I'm simply gonna scroll over to the subtitles section, and as you can see, there are lots of subtitles or captions that you can select from. Well, right here I'm simply gonna select English. And do note that you can also change your caption settings. That's the subtitle settings if you click on right here. Simply select the caption size and presets. It's up to you. And guys, that's it. That's how we enable captions or subtitles in your Prime Video. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.